Hello and welcome friends. So in this video we are going to see the portfolio service, and in this as same thing, we need to go on the file and create a new Spring Starter project, and you need to start with the Spring Starter project and add the Spring Web dependency in that. And after adding the dependency in pom.xml, it will create a blank application with application.properties file and one this portfolio service.application.java file. So as you can see here, we the main function is here. It will create it will run this class inside the container. Now come to the portfolio.java, which the Pojo class we have created. In that we have the pf list, pf id here. Then we have the holding list. Holding list is that where the in what type of mutual fund, mutual fund id, that will be have the mutual fund id list. So what type of the mutual fund he has invested, the id will contain in the list in that portfolio in this variable. Okay, so next we have the total invested amount, total gain amount, and the user id. And then we have the default constructor, and here we have the parameterized constructor and set as getters for the private variable. So the holding list is nothing but the mutual fund list in that user has invested. So once we have checked with the database part also, so we'll check inside that how we are going to map with that one. Now come to the this part, we have created a rest controller, portfolio controller. Then here we have the rest controller, and then we have the request mapping. So whatever the request with the portfolio service, it will come with this class, and it will check for the request mapping pfid and call this function get user by id. So once the request come, it will call the get user by id, and we have the path variable, and we are storing that value in the pfid. So here we have did the same thing, like we have created the list of the portfolio and holding list. So holding list we have added 2 and 1, and pf list id we have added the holding list for 1 also, 1 2 and 1 id, then for 2 also and 3 also. Though pf id is 123 and user id is also 123, and invested amount, and the this one is the gain. So next, like we have used this stream api here also to get the particular pfid as per the based on the user. Okay, and return the portfolio. So let me run this application, or else, yeah, application.properties, we have used the port as 9093 in this portfolio service. So let me run this application. So now this application is running properly on the port 9093. Let me show you the result also. Localhost 9093 slash portfolio service. So with that taking the id, it will check the which class is defined with this one portfolio service mapping. It will check for the mapping, it will go for that id, and will give us the result from the array list which we have defined. So if you see here, we are getting, we have called the 2, so we are getting the 2 holding is 39,200. So 39,200, yeah, 39,200. And holding list also we are getting here 2 and 1. Now let me check for the one also. So amount will get changed 10,400, user id as 1. Okay, so as we got the data for the portfolio also, portfolio, yeah. So if you question about the portfolio service and mutual fund service and then user info service, do me comment on in comment section. I will definitely check on that. I will try to resolve that also. And yeah, in next video we are going to see the main app service, where all this communication will get communicate. Like here only we are going to communicate all the services. Like my investment dashboard is going to hit my main app service. It is not going to hit my any of the mutual fund service or portfolio service or info service. It will just hit my main app service. And in future, if like requirements come, like if the user wants directly search on the mutual fund, so we can use that mutual fund service by passing the user requested mutual fund id. So in future that can be happen, but currently we are going to communicate all these services in the main app service. So yeah, in next video we will going to see the main app service, so please do subscribe to my channel, friends. Thank you so much.